Greetings, thanks for tuning in. We're going to solve an exercise from Hack Reactor's online software engineering immersive prep. Let's work on exercise number 55, get elements up to. Fork the exercise. Going to adjust the windows and open the console. Instructions. Write a function called getElementsUpTo. Given an array and an index, getElementsUpTo returns an array with all the elements up until but not including the element at the given index. Notes: in order to do this, you should be familiar with the slice method. Let's get familiar with the slice method. Definition and usage. The slice method returns the selected elements in an array as a new array object. The slice method selects the elements starting at a given start argument and ends at but does not include the given end argument. We'll go back to our problem here. Well, our exercise rather, not problem. Let's zoom in a bit. Okay. I'm going to copy and paste some code and then explain my reasons for doing so. So here we have our function, getElementsUpTo. It has two arguments, array and n. And below we have this variable output. And with this variable, it's going to hold the results of passing an array through the function and given, I'm not saying that right. Forget that part. Let me solve this using the slice method. I'm going to say return array.slice. We're going to start at the 0 index, and we want all the elements up into, but not including the 3rd index. So this is going to make more sense. We have the array A, B, C, D, E. Pass that array through, and we're going to start with 0 index, which is where A is at, and everything up to index number 3, which is represented by n. So A's at 0, B's at 1, C's at 2, D's at 3. Okay, but remember, we're not including the stopping point index, the element in that index, right? So what should return is A, B, and C. Okay, cool. I want to show you an error that I made initially. Initially, I tried to solve this and say array.slice and then put in the parameters, right? Not the parameters, the arguments. And not the arguments, but you know what I'm trying to say. Actually, you don't know. But anyway, but I tried to solve it like this, which made no sense. And if you do that, you'll see that it returns the array from the beginning, because let's go back here. There's a note here that says the original array will not be changed. So I've returned the original array, not the result of using the slice method on the array, if that makes sense. So don't make that error. As always, thanks for tuning in. The explanation for this code will be below, as well as a link to my code pen and GitHub. Enjoy your coding, and talk to you guys soon. All right, bye-bye.